you do. Grandma can't get any bubbles out of it. What's wrong? Can you squeeze? Squeeze that? No, it's not making bubbles, is it? Yeah, what are bubbles? Tiny bubbles.
Don't drink it, it's icky.
No, yeah. Don't drink it.
Can Papa make bubbles?
Papa makes bubbles. This is Papa's chair. Yeah, this is Papa's chair, see? You got a big bucket for so big butt. Look, there's Booby. See? There's Boo-Boo.
Bug bite still has to find where you at.
Not a bug bite.
Starting to, but that's what a
Not a
bug
bug
bite.
bite. Not a bug bite.
It's not a bug bite? What is it?
It's a bruise.
Looks like a burn. It looks like a bug bite. I've had bug bites and they're going away. I don't know bug bite. That's what it says.
Maybe it has to be up higher or something. I don't know.
It's gotta have enough soap in it so you can up area.
Yeah.
Bug bite don't take that long to go away.
Hello? Oh. Sorry. Sorry, Annie.
Got a tiny bubble. Let me do bubbles.
So you think it was a blister from the burn?
Cigarette photo,
See, how did you do that?
I told you we're doing it right.
You gotta look up. There they are. They're coming down.
Oh, going up. Jeez. Oh dear. You got it, Whoop.
Okay, there's one.
Oh, that's coming right at you. Oh, listen. Oh, you got it.
That's right, you got it.
Right? Get him. Yeah. Take the lower ones, baby.
There's one down there. Don't let too late.
You got it. Careful, sweetie.
She's fine, Mom.
I know, I'm just making sure she doesn't. Maybe if you're not paying attention. I mean, I got into really high water by trying to get a ball. I just kept going after that. I ended up. That's when Jackie came to save me.
There's some more. Bubbles. Oh yeah, bubbles. There's another one. There's some more. Yeah. There's some. There.
Our pants are about the same.
Yep.
Oh, fall down. Bubble fall down.
How long does that record for?
As long as I want.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
The other one didn't, did it?
No. This has been over 4 minutes.
There's the bubbles. Bubbles, Funky. Yeah, there you go.
Melissa, watch.
There's the tiny bubbles. You got them all. Yeah.
Listen, I cannot get it. And use the bubble machine. They've got a bubble machine at work there on clearance. Maybe I should get that. She like that. That has really big bubbles. Not big bubbles
Well, I
like
think
that.
she likes one where you place it down and just go.
Yeah.
It's like
Do it. It's fitting right in the bubble.
You want to cut? We'll cut yours later, okay? We still want yours
They're like trying to catch a star or something like that. Shows some bubbles at the beginning. The kids are going
I
after.
want bubbles. I want bubbles. Oh.
Oh, honey, it's you.
That's regular water.
Honey! Doink, doink!
I'll put that there for her.
I think bugs are trying to get me.
Give her,
Yeah,
baby.
get Papa. Get Papa.
Oh, well, sir.
Look at that hand mark. Boop, boop, boop. 4
Let's see
fingers.
that. Let's see. Yep, it helped it, didn't it? I put that parasitic acid on it. You.
Aww.
There it is,
Go,
buddy.
go to Lissa. Go to Lissa.
Too late.
Yeah.
I can see hurrying there and making him move the car and stuff to go there, and he couldn't work on the pictures. He said about, but they'd be ready tomorrow. And I thought, well, I can't get here until 6 o'clock anyway, so I might as well just